Y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? I'm starting a little quick vlog. We're gonna drop this one on the low ski. I might put a couple clips together throughout the day. But anyway, it's been you know what I'm saying, I already been productive today. I woke up early, cleaned my apartment a little bit, went to the gym, you know, ate some good food, some beef and potatoes, trying to make sure, you know, I put the weight on. Anyway though, that's nonetheless neither here. Shopbert Universities are almost sold out, but I just wanna open this new shirt with y'all. This Team Cupid long sleeve with the double layered on it. I want to just, you know what I'm saying, I just want to present this with y'all. Give y'all the chance to see me do an unboxing, because I don't really do many unboxings, you see what I'm saying? But so like I told y'all before, like some of the shirts come open. I guess they gotta check like what's in the box. So I'm gonna just take this top one off so y'all can see what it is. Let me take the glasses out, goddamn, because I gotta see, you know what I'm saying, what I'm looking at, goddamn. It look hard so far, bro. I wonder if they got my size. Perfect. This is my size right here. Medium. Crazy. Quality crazy. You know what I'm saying? Quality crazy. Print crazy. Details. We got distressing on the all through the shirt. Dirty wash on it. Crazy. I love it. I love it. This shit go hard. It is a little wrinkled because I just took out the thing, but like I said, man, we up in the production. Look, thermal sleeve. I'm gonna put it on for y'all boys right quick. Hold on. Alright, y'all boys, show y'all right quick what it's looking like. French terry material, by the way. Then we got the thermal sleeves. A little fuzzy and dirty and shit. I ain't gonna lie though, it fit perfect. This is medium. I'm like 5'9", 5'10", some shit. But the stressing on the sleeve go crazy. You got the cut hems, crop bottom. It's not super crop. It's like perfect. You know, sit right on the waist. We up at everything. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I think it's one of my harder pieces. Like one of my better shirts. So these are. I don't even know what day it is. What's today?
14th.
It's March 14th. It's almost 4 p.m. These dropped. We should have dropped them yesterday. I didn't know they was here, but I'm gonna drop these probably the 19th to 20th. The Friday coming up. What you talking about? Look down there. It's my sister. Her black ass thing. Cause the sun out. She can wear shorts, but it ain't even that goddamn warm. It's like 40 degrees right now. Go wash your ass. Oh, type shit. Damn. All right though, y'all see we got the little, we didn't just get these shirts, we got anxiety sweats in them motherfucker too. Hey, and I ain't cutting none of this video. I might do a little bit of cutting, but I'm posting it be raw. Getting that raw. Let me stop. All right, y'all seen these pants before? I made them in a sample. This actually these same pants I got on. I took the strings off and I took the wash off. I need to remember these dirty. Anyway, I'm gonna have to dig through this box though. I ain't gonna lie, because it's looking like a bunch of shirts in here, and then it's gonna be the rest at the bottom. So I mean, I don't really show y'all the pants. Fuck that. I'm just want to show y'all the shirt because this is new. You know what I'm saying? I love it, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. Top 3 for me. Y'all watch y'all last, and I don't know if y'all tuning into the rest of the vlog or I'm finna just post this like this. I just want to do an opening with y'all. This is the Team Cupid double layered thermal, dropping March 20th, 2026, 12 p.m. EST. Y'all watch y'all last and, you know what I'm saying, tap in, vert. Yeah.
XO. Yeah. XO. Neck on water on the Fiji tip. Hungry man when it come to paper on the feed me tip. Bitch, I bang for a buck.